future. It belongs to those who envision it, believe in it, and dare to create it. The National Industrial Development and Logistics Program, NIDLP, was born out of a lasting vision to create a tomorrow that we aspire to today. We're driven by a goal to transform the kingdom into a leading industrial powerhouse and a global logistics landmark. We're committed to building an economy that thrives on human potential and new opportunities across sectors. We're striving towards curating a promising environment for investment powered by a holistic platform that nurtures industrial growth. We're facilitating a seamless integration of knowledge and skill across sectors through local content creation and industrial evolution. We're revolutionizing industrial growth by collaborating with the best in the business across industries. We're on a mission to reinvent Saudi Arabia by bringing the Vision 2030 to life. The positive impact of Saudi Vision 2030 is not limited to transforming Saudi Arabia into an industrial powerhouse and a global logistics hub. It will open a world of possibilities for products and markets, bridge distances between continents, and strengthen international trade. We invite the global community to be a part of an exciting journey towards creating a prosperous future for one and all.